Hello friends, today we are gonna unbox Tenor G, the Amazon exclusive product. It is like imported by Amazon India and then sold on to Indian customers. It's made by a Chinese company and the company with the name Tenor G, and it's imported and sold by Amazon India. So let's unbox it. I have ordered the package in the Amazon sale. Like in this you can see now. Let's get the product out. Here it's the invoice. Now let's get the box out. This is the box. This is how the phone looks. The box looks. Wow, the box looks quite good. Now let's get on to the specifications. What's mentioned on the box? Like you can see what's mentioned on the box. The retail price that's showing on the box is come on, zoom in. The price shown on the box is 11,999, but I got it quite cheap on Amazon. So, and its month and year of manufacture, as you can see, is July 2018. And the package contains one mobile phone with battery, one USB cable, one charger, one user manual, and a SIM ejector tool. So let's move on to the specifications. Okay, there. The phone comes with a Snapdragon octa-core 626 processor, 5.5-inch Full HD display, 13 megapixel dual rear cameras with 16 megapixel front shooter with LED flash. The phone also supports a fingerprint sensor and it houses a 4000 mAh battery. So as you can see, the month and year of manufacture are July 2018, so it's quite recent. Wow, that's good. Now let's unbox the product. The product is seal packed. One thing you should take care of is that the products you order online like Flipkart, Amazon, the seal should be intact. So now let me unbox the product for you. So the packaging is quite nice. The box is like black in color. I got the gray color. Sorry, I got the black color, the beyond black, they call it. It's a 3GB 32GB variant. There is another variant that is on sale, that is 4GB and 64GB internal storage. So I got the 3GB version. That is. Now let's unbox it, see what's inside the box. So the box is quite good packed. Now here is the product itself. Now what we get in the box is a phone wrapped in a polythene. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get in the box. A 10-hour quick start guide. Okay, that's in English. That's good. Now the inside blue color, that looks nice. What we get is a micro USB cable. Looks a decent quality cable. Let's see. And a SIM ejector tool and a charger. It's 2-pin charger. Let's see its ratings, what the charge is. The ratings on the charger. As you can see, the charger is a 5-volt 2-amp charger. Yeah, there you can see the output, 5-volt and 2-amp. So that's, I guess, all inside the box. That's all we are getting in the box. Now keep the box aside and get onto the phone. Okay, let's put these all things aside and get onto the device itself. Now this is the device for you. Looks quite nice actually. The Tenor G, and Here you can see the cameras, the fingerprint sensor, dual LED flash, a secondary noise cancellation mic. At the bottom it houses a micro USB port and machine drilled holes for loudspeaker, and that is for microphone. That is the norm. It got SIM ejector, SIM tray on the left side, and volume rockers and power button on the right side. The volume button is quite chunky, I guess. The buttons are quite tactile. One thing I like quite not seen these days is like the volume buttons are below the power button. Actually they are above the power button, but that's the case here. Now let's power on the device. At the top there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Now let's power on the device. Sorry, I'm pressing the power buttons. That's what I'm saying. So it's saying powered by Android Tenor G. So the device in hand feel, I can tell you, is quite like good. The metal build is quite robust. The front and the bottom part are actually plastic. That is for the antenna housings. There is also a front flash. That's a good thing. 16 megapixel front shooter, a front flash, and a small LED notification light. One thing good about these Tenor devices, they are housing all the sensors you can imagine. Like it has a magneto sensor, a gyroscope for the VR headset, and the brightness sensors and all. So it's quite a good device. Now the device is booting up. So it's running on this Android Nougat 7.0, and Tenor G has promised that they will be like updating this device to Android Oreo. And the date has also come. They are saying before the start of September, so end of the August, last week of the August, what Tenor is saying, promising for its Tenor G devices to be updated to Android Oreo. So the device is booting up for the first time, and I can like feel it. The device is quite good. It feels good in hand. So I quite liked it, and I got it really cheap in Amazon sale. So that's good. There's also a black ring that's running around these cameras. That's quite a good thing. There's a ring running around the cameras, and the device has booted up. That's welcome. Now let's set it up. Let's go insert SIM cards. Now I'll do all the required things, and let's see how the things looks on it. Welcome to your G. Get a fresh start, getting connected and all these things. So now there's only there's no physical keys on this device. The keys all you get are on the screen, and that's take up some of the screen. So the approximate body to screen ratio is 70%, so that's quite low. I have like, it should be around 75%. That's the norm. These days it's like really the bezels are getting really thin, but this device has used bezels, as you can see. The phone runs on the stock Android. So that's the unboxing video of Tenor G. And what's good in this device is, like, for the price you are getting on Snapdragon processor, 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage with dual rear megapixel cameras and a fingerprint scanner, that's quite good considering its price point. And it's a nicely built device, good to hold in hand. So wait for my next user experience of this phone. I'll tell you the user experience in my next video. That is like how the software is running on, how the device performs after a few days, or like 7 to 8 days or a week of running. And I'll tell you also the camera review of the device. How's the camera performance? Is there any lag or heating issues? Or how long does the battery last? I'll tell you all these details after I get a hand on this device for a quite few days, like 3-4 days. So friends, let's end this video here, and please subscribe to my channel, and you will be getting more videos on device, more videos on this device and all these features and how it's performing after a week or so. So thanks, and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.